So today we're gonna unbox the Sketchbox. Unfortunately, the last time I got one, I did not record it, so here it is. I apologize, I never record video with just my audio, so I'm just doing a voiceover yet again. So here's the instructions. It usually says what comes in the box. Some alcohol markers. The paper, I don't know why I took the entire thing out, but there's a colored pencil that's white, there's another marker, and there is a illustration pen. I was honestly so excited. It was a Faber-Castell. Yeah, that's such a good pencil and such a good sketch brush. And then I think, I got a sticker. I love me some stickers. I immediately put that on my Stanley. Now, I'm about to do some swatches after I open the paper up. And let me tell you, I was so excited to see what was on the paper and use the freaking markers. The markers were so good. It says how to draw whatever it was. I don't remember what it was. A cactus. It tells you exactly what came in it. And then there's that artist. I was looking at that art for a minute because, man, it was so good. Alright, so we're gonna open the paper. I was struggling so bad. I was struggling so bad to get rid of this stupid plastic. It's creeping back in, as you can see. In the markers, there's 6 of them. Technically 7 if you include the orange one. It is swatch time. I didn't have like a pen on hand, so I just used the sketch pen or a sketch marker, whatever it is called. I just wrote down all the letters and numbers, whatever it's like the serial number it was called. I thought that like burgundy color was so pretty, and I really liked that muted like a gray purple. It was so pretty as well. I really liked this marker set. I really wish that they'd give like more markers or just more stuff in general. I'm new to like doing mixed media. That yellow was kind of cloudy compared to like the other colors were like spot on to what it had on the caps. And yes, I'm about to freaking drop the pen just like that. I really wish that they gave acrylic paints. I really wish they did acrylic paints. I have yet to see any acrylic paint come out of a Sketchbox. I've looked all over the internet to see, nope, only watercolor and oil. The last time, oh my gosh, the last Sketchbox I got was oil, and it was so good. And that, look at that white. That white is like a yellow tinted. And yep, I spelt it wrong. And I was just outlining with that pen. I didn't really have a plan on what I was doing, so I was just going with it. I have no idea where I just went. I think I like went to the bathroom or something, or to give the baby boy a bottle. I don't remember what I was doing. I accidentally have not. Oh my gosh. My brain is not working today. I have not been able to edit this because I've been so busy with the baby boy. He's getting into everything. Everything. I've been, honestly, I have been lacking in editing and posting. I apologize. I haven't even made. Wait, hold up. I have a freaking update for you guys. As I'm making this piece of art, I'm gonna tell you, I went to this really, really cool get together in Adrian like a couple weeks ago. I met K4 Inked. I think that was what it was. I'm pretty sure that's his name. His name's Matt. But I met him, bro, and I gave him my biggest piece of art that I took the longest amount of time on. And then I traded my art for a tattoo. I covered up my hideous tattoo I gave myself while I was a teenager. I covered that up with a beautiful flower, and then I'm getting other ones covered up soon on my thigh. I'm so excited. I was about to say free tattoo, but I traded art for art. You know what I mean? But the Custodians played there, and that's the first time I ever heard them. And let me tell you, AI Girlfriend by the Custodians is all the hype. It's giving Green Day meets Blink 182 and had a baby. Okay? Like, it's like hyperpop, but alternative, but like grungy. It's so good. Like, ugh. Like, oh my gosh, it's so good. But yeah, this piece kind of reminds me of a record player in a sort of way. Like you know what I mean? Like that black part where them spirals is, you know what I mean? It's like a drippy like record spinning on the wheel. If you know what I mean? I've been trying to go back into music again, and I went to Guitar Center, and I'm so sorry, I'm like off topic a lot. I went to Guitar Center. I seen amazing things that I really want, but I don't have the monies for it yet. But yeah, I haven't had a time to paint in so long, and oh my gosh, I can't. Thanks.